Welcome to Crafty Little Beach. This is Julie. Today I have a Dollar Tree DIY for you.
So this is my first find, a little Be Kind stepping stone from the Dollar Tree. It's so cute. I just want to make it stand up. So I'm just going to use a wood block from the Crafter Square at Dollar Tree and glue that to the back to make a little stand. I got two of these. The other one has a little girl gnome, bee gnome on it, and it's really cute as well. I really only had room for one on here, but it's kind of a fun idea to use the little stepping stones on a coffee bar or for decor because it's so cute. I didn't have to paint it or anything. The colors are perfect and it looks so nice and rustic with like the concrete. So I think that's going to make it stand up just fine. There's a little bee. It says Be Kind. And it's super cute. So this is going to go on the top shelf. Now, this is not Dollar Tree, but this was a clearance find at my Publix grocery store. They had Ray done, and I couldn't believe it because they didn't sell well, so they put them all on clearance. So I got this great little honey pot. Isn't it so cute? It's got a little bee on top. It's got like a little honey dipper. Is that what they're called? So I'm just going to turn that around so you can see it. Look how cute that is. And it totally goes with my Ray Done mugs that I have on my coffee bar. And it was regularly $12.99. I think I got it like 75% off or something like that. So this is my little bargain honey pot and I love it. And so I had to use it on my tier tray. Okay, our next DIY. This is just a coffee creamer from the Dollar Tree. I always love to pick these up, especially the plain white ones, because you can customize them in any way. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use one of these little wall decals from the Dollar Tree. And I am just going to cut the little bee off the top. I just needed something tiny for the creamer. And I love to use creamers and stuff like that if I can. Since it is a coffee bar, it kind of goes with the theme. These are actually just stickers, not decals, so it just sticks right on there. Look at that, just a perfect, easy little DIY. And what we're gonna fill the little coffee creamer with is I actually got this at Michael's. I know I never shop at Michael's, but I was there for some reason. I don't even remember why. And this was the only thing I bought. It was on sale, like, 50% off. But look at these little bees. They are like wrapped with string and they have little flowers. And I thought they would be perfect for this. And so I kind of splurged on this one. But look how cute they look in that little Dollar Tree coffee creamer. So we're going to put that on the top shelf as well. Okay, next find. Look at this. I got two of these from the Dollar Tree. I'm only going to use one on the coffee bar, but it's a little bee sign. They're so cute. It says Be Humble, and it's like a little slatted wood board and no glitter or anything. It is just perfect for this.
Now let me give you a quick sneak peek of how the bee themed coffee bar turned out. Definitely one of my favorite coffee bars that I've done. I think it's so cute. So many fun bee touches.